Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. Sorry. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And in the video I am going to be talking about this brush set that I got from Proarte. The Proarte's brushes are typically expensive, but this one was on their affordable side. This was priced 1,000 rupees, and I think there is a discount running where they are selling the brushes for 800 rupees, and if you take cash on delivery you have to pay some 50 or 100 rupees, and then it will cost you around 900 something. But this is the brush set that I wanted to talk to you about. So let's begin. And I want to tell you that I have done my skin prep already, and I'm just good to go and do the makeup with only these brush sets. This is how the brush set looks like. You get 10 brushes in this, and let me just open the packaging. You don't get a box like how you get for Swiss Beauty, but then this is how the brush looks like. And straight off, it's a very beautiful blush pink that I really love. The logo of the brand is over here, and it doesn't say which brush to use for which. You just have to figure that out. But on the back of it, it says a premium kit of 10 professional makeup brushes, and this is how the brush looks like. It has got this pointy end, and the bristles, yes, are very very soft. They are not looking cheap whatsoever. बॉक्स के ऊपर ना ऐसे देखने से बहुत चीप लग रहा था, बट जैसे मैं ब्रश होल्ड कर रही हूँ ना, they look very premium quality. Are you getting enough light? Because I don't have a ring light right now, and that is why I've not been filming. I think this is a 4 powder, and I'm just seeing which brush I can use for foundation. I think maybe we can use this, but this looks like a contour brush because it's angled. There is one for your blush or your highlighter, so this can work really good for that. Then you've got one eyeshadow brush to cut crease, to apply your glitters and all of that, and to place your eyeshadows. Then this is a concealer brush for sure, concealer brush. And then you've gotten another highlighter brush, like you can use it for highlighter. So this one you can use for blush, and this one you can use for highlighter, or you can use for both. So I don't know which one they said is for foundation. I am surprised. Maybe this one, because some people like to use this, I guess, for but I don't think I will use that for my foundation. Angle brush for your eyebrow, and then you have a flat brush to place your powders, matte eyeshadow powders. Then you've got a pencil brush like this, so, and then you've got another fluffy brush to blend in your crease products. So yeah, these are all the brushes that we have in this, so I am not sure which one to use for foundation. I'm confused. This is how the brushes look like. Very very pretty, very nice. I really love the quality of the bristles, and brush test passed. There's no hair coming out, and the brush bristles are very soft. They don't look cheap or feel flimsy. They're really nice. Only worry is that for a person like me, I will get them really dirty really soon. But then Proarte is known for their brushes, you guys. You will have to try the brushes once in a lifetime. So that is the reason I picked them up. Alright, I have primed my face. I typically like to go with my eyebrow first, but let me just do all the foundation work and then come back. So I've done my foundation with a beauty blender because I didn't want to I don't know which one to use for the foundation, but I think you can use the contour one which I showed you, so maybe that. For the brush, right, our first brush that I'm using is the concealer brush, which is this flat brush which I really liked. I think this is very nice. Use it wherever we need a little bit concealing. Off the bat, it's really good concealer brush, and it doesn't need a lot of product because बहुत अच्छे से ये प्रोडक्ट ब्लेंड हो रहा है. Conceal my eyes perfectly. This brush works really good. It's not too dense, it's not too flimsy, it's the perfect amount of bristles that you're getting. And the grip on this is really nice because ये वाला pointy end makes it very comfortable to hold at a distance, and it blended like a dream. I know concealer brushes are not that, you know, valued at. A good concealer brush does definitely make your work seamless, because this looks so damn like, you know, airbrushed, so nice. So yeah, I really love it. Let's get on to the next step. I am using a cream bronzer from Huda Beauty, and I don't have a lot of cream products here because all of them are in Mysore. I'm just taking it on the back of my brush and lacing it. Okay, that is a good brush. Really good one, you guys, and 10 on 10 recommend this one. I am going to be throwing all my old brushes because I used to think they're really good, but I used this one and I used Swiss Beauty one, and I know the difference of good brushes right now. And this one is bomb.com. Look at the contouring, it's come so perfect, so blended, so chiseled out. I am definitely going to recommend this one too, this brush too. Going back with this concealer brush, and I'm taking a little bit and cutting it right here. How about that portion? Also, you can use to contour with this brush, but I am going to be highlighting it, just that. The next step that I'm going to be doing is powdering my face and setting it, because I don't have any more cream products, and for that I am using the brush and setting my eyes. Only on my eyes I go a little bit ham, but on other parts I just go very light. Let's do the eyes, and I'm using this flat but yet fluffy brush to place the eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow. I want to go in with this particular shade, which is called as Cherished, this one, and going in all over my lid. And I want to go in with the shade called as Happiness, and just do it on the crease. I'm using the same brush as of now. Yeah, this brush is really good, you guys. Definitely their claim that this gives an airbrush look is true, because I'm seeing in the mirror also it is looking so flawless. I don't know how it's looking in the camera. अभी लाइट है तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बाद में जब एडिट करने बैठूंगी तब समझ में आएगा. But yeah, the colors are getting picked really well, and I am loving it. I use this brush to do almost everything, because baki ka there was just one angle brush, there was one this brush, so there wasn't a lot in terms of eye brushes which I can actually use. I would have preferred there would be another small blending brush, because this is too big for darker colors, but then fine, that's fine, I guess. But if they had a tiny brush, like a tiny brush instead of that fan brush, if they had given another small blending brush, this would be a dream set. I've pretty much done the eye makeup part of it. What is remaining is glitter, so I'm taking this flat brush. I'm not wetting it as of now, going in with the shade Quartz from the same Huda palette and placing it on the lid and see if it picks up. Yeah, it does pick up very well, without even a doubt. Can you see how beautifully the shadow is picking up? It took the color like so nicely. I am really impressed. I like these brushes more than the Swiss Beauty brushes. I'm sorry, but these are way better at the same price almost. Yeah, at a same price these are way better because the brushes quality is really good. They're very smooth and soft. I'm taking this pencil brush. You could use this one for your lower lash line as well, but since there's glitter on it, I'm using this pencil brush and I'm using the same shades that I used on the top. This pencil brush is so good. Look at that. Look at that freaking hell. So impressed. Can you see how beautifully it has placed color? Also, I'm going to take this black shade called as Mantra and draw a wing because this brush is good. My eye look is done. I am in love with my look. I need to do mascara and all of that, which we will do. Before that, let us do the highlighter, the blush and all of that. For blush, I'm using Color Bars blush and this is the brush that I'm using for blush. This brush is so good. Look at that. Damn, mama, this is good. It's making me fall in love with powder products. Like, it's that good. Can you not tell me this is good? Doing my eyebrows with the angled brush that they have given. Taking in the dark shade. I don't want to do a brow pomade or anything. My makeup looks fire. Like I'm seeing in the mirror and I'm like impressed that these are even my skills. But it depends, truly depends on the brushes and the makeup tools and all of that. Like 50% is your mehnat and the product's mehnat, but 50% it depends on the tools, like the kind of tools that you use. And I truly now believe that you wouldn't understand it until you know yourself buy good makeup tools, and then you will know. Pretty much the only brush I didn't use was this one, the fan brush, but the rest of it I used it and they were really good. So this one I felt was useless. Instead of this, they could have given a smaller blending brush. That would have made 10 times more sense because you can do much more professional looks with it. Let me just do my lips, set my face, and then come back to you guys with my final verdict. But I think you guys already know about it, but let's save it for the final verdict. Alrighty, you guys, we've come to the grand finale of this video. I have applied lipstick, done everything, and just wanted to give you my final thoughts. So I am definitely impressed with this particular brush set. I love it even more than the Swiss Beauty one, even though I miss a foundation brush in it and a small blending brush in it, but the rest of the brushes, the quality of it is so darn good. I will try next time to use this one for my foundation and see how it works. I didn't have the courage to do it in this particular video. This is the affordable version. I can only imagine the bigger sets, how good they might be. Like I feel like जैसे price बढ़ता है quality भी बढ़ती है. So if this is the quality for an affordable set, then I don't know how good it should be for the the pricier sets or the pricier brushes. Go ahead and pick these ones up. I will leave a link in the description box, and this is not a sponsored video. And I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, please do make sure that before you leave you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also comment if you really love them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe.